Introduction. HTML5 introduces new features for interactive and user-friendly web development. HTML Canvas is a powerful tool for drawing graphics on a web page using JavaScript. Useful for animations, game graphics, data visualization, photo manipulation, and real-time video processing. Understanding the basics of HTML Canvas. HTML Canvas is a two-dimensional grid with upper left corner coordinates 0, 0. JavaScript API is used to draw on the HTML canvas. Every canvas starts blank, like a painting canvas before the artist has added any paint. Rendering context. Rendering context is like the brush to a painter, used to paint onto the canvas. The most commonly used context is 2D, drawing shapes. Rectangles and paths can be drawn using the context object. To draw a path, first call begin path, add lines or curves, and finally call stroke or fill. Color and style. Color, gradient, and pattern used to fill shapes can be set. Width and style of lines can be controlled. Context object includes properties such as fill style, stroke style, and line width. Text and images. Methods for drawing text are included in the context object. Images can be drawn onto the canvas, and image data can be manipulated. Animation. Animation is created by repeatedly clearing the canvas, drawing the scene, and waiting a short amount of time before repeating the process. Tips and tricks. Always check for browser support for the canvas. Remember that the coordinates start from the top left of the canvas. Use the Request Animation Frame function for creating animations. Common errors. Forgetting to call begin path before starting to draw a new shape. Trying to draw on the canvas before it's fully loaded. Not setting or resetting the fill style or stroke style. Conclusion. HTML5 Canvas provides a world of possibilities for web developers. By understanding its use, more interactive and engaging websites can be created.